Hey,
I'm
stop.
taller than you. I'm taller than you. And let me see my character. Let me see my character. I'm so tall, bro.
I will
Put
shoot
money
you.
into the cash.
I will
to the
shoot
layer.
you. Sige, shoot kita.
Where's the... So glad that this is too easy.
I'm glad she finally left.
Oh, bakit bawal yung class ko?
May naglaga. Maglag. Nakatakot yun.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
There's no
Just
one.
let them buy anything they want. Bro. Oh no! Ano itsura ko? Jump. You too. Assist the customer.
Ako ate.
Okay, ako clean lang dito. Hi.
Ako magbasa ate.
Welcome.
Can you ring me up please? I'm sorry I lost. But I will
This is so scary.
Hello ka?
Put mo yung money dito.
Saan?
Here. Very good. Good. I'm gonna shoot it again. I feel being up the content area accidentally shoot. You two next. That's the guy in the red shirt shooting around out the work here. I'm not sure who you're talking about, man. I am speaking a different language. The guy in the red shirt that keeps walking around here. Just forget about it.
No.
Don't you two think too hard. No need.
To be rude, man.
I just know that I'm supposed to be the only one working right now. Okay. I need $20 worth of gas.
Ate! Kita ko ako.
Okay.
Katabi mo lang si Kan. Ate!
No worries, I'm here.
Ate! Kakatawa ko.
My gun naman ko eh. Bro, you're scaring me! It's done.
Mas makakatakot ko na sa...
I don't know. Baby yun.
Yung... radio yun.
Man, these customers today have been ruthless. Yeah, this crypto goes, man.
Hello?
Yun yung kanina. Nagbibili ko, diba?
Ate, bilisan mo nga. Natakot ako.
Jump scared everyone. It's fine.
Alis, ate. Nagkagawa pa ka. Ate, yung tao na yun.
Bro, you're scaring me. Hey, you. What are you doing here a night like this? I'm a stupid guy.
Wala.
I work here, dude. Well, you know there's maniac on the news.
Wala din.
Yeah, I heard the news.
Wala.
I heard the freaking news. I only heard the news, sir. You've been warned. I don't care.
Kumain na kayo, Roland?
Hindi ko. Wait, tapusin ako itong nilalaro na yun. One, nagdudadam. Detective, you're so annoying.
If that guy scares me,
Just my luck. Get out of here. Are you scared?
Yeah.
Hoy! Doon lang kayo, Doon lang kayo. Ito siya, nagtatago. CCTV camera.
I'm scared. fuck, strange man. What are you doing? You should get going, man.
He got
back.
I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you.
Hello? Get moving on, pal. I have no feeling. Taku. Please. Bro,
I'm
fine.
going to call
Fine.
the cops then.
I'll fault on you.
Get out here, man.
What up? I'll see you again. So
Very
very sad. Happy face.
No, I'm a freaking police. You should never do that. Or else, I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kick your butt out of here. The kind of stuff I deal with during the night shift.